To use Apple Pay on Ultra Watch 2025, you need to start by opening the Watch app on your iPhone and navigating to the My Watch tab. From there, select Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap Add Card to begin the process of adding a credit or debit card to your Apple Pay wallet. You will be prompted to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can also choose to scan your card using the camera on your iPhone, which will automatically fill in the required information. Once you have added your card, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay on your Ultra Watch 2025. You will also be asked to verify your card with your bank, which may involve receiving a verification code via text message or email. After verifying your card, you can start using Apple Pay on your Ultra Watch 2025. To make a payment, double-click the side button on your watch. Then select the card you want to use from the list of available cards. Hold the watch near the contactless payment terminal until you feel a slight vibration and hear a beep, which indicates that the payment has been successful. You can also use Apple Pay to make purchases online or in apps on your iPhone. To do this, select Apple Pay as the payment method at checkout. Then verify the payment using your watch or Face ID on your iPhone. To manage your Apple Pay cards on your Ultra Watch 2025, open the Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the My Watch tab. Then select Wallet and Apple Pay. From there, you can add or remove cards, view your transaction history, and adjust your Apple Pay settings. It is also important to note that you should keep your watch and iPhone passcodes secure to prevent unauthorized access to your Apple Pay wallet. Additionally, you should always keep your watch and iPhone software up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and Apple Pay functionality.